Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can enable or find your Facebook Marketplace. Now, make sure your app is updated to the latest version of the app as it is the latest feature available. So open the app and log into your ID. You'll get an interface like this. On the top of your Facebook homepage, you can find the Marketplace icon. If you tap on it, you'll find the Marketplace easily here. Now what if you don't find here? The first thing is go ahead to the three line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. And once here, if you scroll down below on all shortcuts, you'll be able to find your marketplace here. To enable your shortcut and taskbar, go ahead to settings on the same three line icon here and then scroll down and go to settings. Once on settings and privacy on preferences, you'll find the option navigation bar. Now tap on it and here you'll find the option customize the bar. Tap on it and here you'll find the various shortcuts of friend requests, groups, marketplace, profile, watch, gaming feeds. Now make sure the marketplace is turned on or you can pin it. Now if you pin this, it will be available in your navigation bar where I showed you before. Make sure it's not on hide. This way you can enable marketplace on Facebook. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.